In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download a Wetransfer file in mobile. Let's begin. So once you open up your Gmail account, you are going to find the email that you sent to yourself, where you sent that specific file, or any other file that somebody else sent to you through Wetransfer. So it says here that this person sent you that document name PDF. So if you want to get the file, simply hit the button where it says get your files. And then it's going to ask you whether you want to open it with Google Chrome, or Google, or Safari. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So then it's going to show the file that you can download, and it's going to tell you when it's going to expire. If you simply want to download it, head over to the right side and you're going to see this download icon which you can press. And then it's going to say your download has started. So go to the bottom, then select save. And then you're going to choose to save it within your file section. So then it's going to say that your download is complete. So we're going to head over to our files. And if we head over to the Chrome section, the file or document is going to open. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.